which type of cancers are common in Goa?
See, I'm working here in Goa for the last 2 years. In my practice, what I have seen among females, breast cancer is very common. I think one very dangerous fact what I would want to mention is all of my patients, see, when I was working in Hyderabad, all my breast cancer patients, the age was above 50 years.
I see.
All were elderly patients. But in Goa, what is happening? All my patients are young patients. You come to Victor Hospital, I think now my the chemotherapy what I'm giving, the surgery, all are 30 years, 34 years, 28 years. I think one patient whom I operated 2 months back, she was only 26 years.
My God.
So a lot of young female patients are getting breast cancers. Among females I'm talking about. And in male patients, I would say the GI cancers are more. Especially pancreas, liver cancers, stomach cancers, and the colon cancers and the rectum, the intestine cancers. I think probably I would say maybe because of the lifestyle practices, sometimes drinking is a major risk factor. I think that can be attributed to it. But in Goa per se, I think the GI cancers are more in number among male patients and breast cancer among female patients, that too young patients.